Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic, and money all your way. Today we're talking about health. What is great health? And by you clicking on this video and listening to the intro, you already started with your evolution of great health for today, because what you say and what you ingest, what you allow those to say to you, will affect your health. PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, these things will be promoted if you listen to the wrong things, if you say the wrong things. Remember, where the head goes, the body shall follow. So let's talk about great health. It comes with three sectors in general. We'll say mind, body, and spirit. Now, as where the head goes, the body shall follow. Let's talk about the mind. How do we exercise the mind? Make sure that you're forever reading, forever learning. When your mind is in a state of idle, when it's sitting still, that allows negative thoughts to creep in. Therefore, anxiety, depression, PTSD shall reign supreme. So make sure you're always working out these muscles in the brain. Shake out all the cobwebs. Forever be in a state of learning. Therefore, you'll always be in a state of positivity, because you can always pat yourself on the back for learning something new. Now let's talk about the body. How do you work out your body? Physically, let's go to the gym. To your greatest ability, take those daily walks. However you can work your body out to the best that you can, I ask that you do that. It helps the flow of lactic acid. It helps the flow of blood, the flow of lymph systems. And when you stay idle, that's when the cobwebs can occur. There are the blockages in the blood vessels, the blockages in the lymph fluid that actually fight disease actually occur, and therefore disease can persist. So I want you to continue to work on that mind. Let's read. Make sure you work on that body. Make sure that you work out. As you work out, we need to maintenance our bodies. Not only just go to the gym and beat our bodies up, even not going to the gym, standing still is a traumatic act. We're fighting against gravity, so many different forces. Our head is forever balancing, so muscles are forever in tension, contraction, and at work. So I need you on a massage table at least once a month. I need you on a chiropractic table at least once a month to give your body a fighting chance to heal itself, to stay away from surgery, to stay away from pills, and to stay away from medications. So the third thing that we're going to talk about today, we have mind, body. Let's talk about that spirit, that nervous system, because your spirit will control the energy within your body that you don't see, but you very much feel. Now, so to work out our spirit, I need you out in nature. Is that how you connect with spirit, Lord, God, universe, ether, whatever that higher power is? If taking nature walks is sitting by the river, if it's prayer, if it's meditation, whatever that is for you, I ask for you to lock in on that on a regular basis. Make sure you eat right. Make sure you treat right. What I mean by eat the right things, stay away from shellfish, stay away from pork, the things that will clog up your blood vessels and cause blockages in your blood vessels. Therefore, it will be blockages in your lymph system. Therefore, it will manifest a dirty diet and dirty and results for you. You cannot build a healthy body with a dirty diet. Make sure that you eat right, treat right, massage bed once a month, chiropractic bed at least once a month, and make it into a lifestyle. Bad health is big business. Your accountability to these three things will put them out of business. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.